In this video, we'll explore user management, including how to create roles and assign access privileges. To add new users to your account, first navigate to the Account Security tab. To add a user, simply click the Insert User link and fill out the new user form. On the form, there are a couple items of note. First, a dashboard should be assigned. This is a default dashboard configured in the Adjacent Dashboard tab so that when the user first logs in, they have a dashboard. Of course, once a user logs in, they can reset their dashboard preferences. The billable checkbox tells the system that this is a billable resource for purposes of calculating budget items, and the internal hourly rate is that person's cost to the organization. That cost can be modified over time. Finally, a user must be assigned an account or administrative level role. They may be assigned as many account level roles as you require. Account roles define a user's administrative privileges. You may create as many new roles as your organization requires. As you can see here, account privileges cover a wide range of administrative items. You can customize and restrict privileges for adding and modifying users and roles, adding new data fields, restricting access to navigation tabs, authorizing reports and dashboard components, and much, much more. Within the Account tab, project roles are standard project role access rights that will be available to you for assignment to users in all of your individual projects. Lighthouse includes default project roles you may use, or you may create your own default project roles that will be available to your users across all of your projects. And of course, as you see here, you can customize those access privileges. Within an individual project, roles are accessible from the Resources tab. Here you may assign users to a standard project role, modify a standard role, or you can create an entirely new project role unique to the project you're working on. You can define a wide variety of access privileges across all of Lighthouse's modules. You can customize read, create, update, and delete privileges for defect tracking, or approval and rejection rights for document management. You can also determine which users have rights to import or export confidential requirements documents. Virtually any action can have access rights defined. Once users are added to your account, they don't automatically have access to all projects. Instead, Lighthouse enables you to protect your project's security by selecting users to be assigned to appropriate projects. Add resources to projects at the Project Resources tab. Simply select the Add Resource link, and then you can search for an available resource by name, by availability. You can also search by role or skills. And you can add as many resources at a time as you like. Then, simply assign the user a role just for this project and a start date. Those are the required fields. The other fields are optional. Allocation will be used to measure resource availability and utilization, and rate per hour is the billable or charge rate for the person's time on this project only. Finally, you may add as many users to your account as you require. However, you may only have as many unlocked users as your subscription authorizes. But feel free to lock and unlock users as necessary. If you want to lock users, just check the box next to the user's name and select Lock Users. It's just that simple to adjust your subscription. If you haven't already tried Lighthouse, click the Sign Up button that's available on every page of our website and you can get started with a free account today. Thanks very much for tuning in, and visit us anytime at artifactsoftware.com.